This first experiment is about the use of pneumatic control trainer for assembly fixture. The purpose of this experiment is the insertion of supply shafts into the bushes. This assembly requires a press fit. And the meaning of this press fit is that the case in which one part is forced under pressure into a slightly smaller hole in the other part. And a supply shaft is a shaft in which a number of equally spaced grooves are cut into it. So for this purpose, these shafts are placed manually into the bush and a push button is then actuated to extend a single acting cylinder through a linkage. As the cylinder extends, the shaft is pressed home. And as the push button is released, the cylinder is retracted back to its initial position. To perform this experiment, we need one single acting cylinder, one 3x2 way push button operated spring return directional control valve, and also we need one port of the distribution manifold, and we need the 4mm pneumatic tubings. Now first of all, ensure that the hand slide valve is into the off position. Then connect the tubes as per the circuit given into the experiment. Now perform the experiment as per the operational procedure given into the experiment. Open the supply of the compressed air and the operation will be performed between 3 to 5 bar. Now move the hand slide valve button to the on position. Operate and hold down push button and observe what happens. Release the push button and again observe what happens. Compare your observations with the written circuit explanation.